effective defense of resources. This was observed in species such as bison, mammoths, and wolves, which relied on strong social bonds for increased survival rates. Furthermore, cooperative hunting and foraging strategies were advantageous for certain carnivorous species. Wolves, for example, employed coordinated hunting techniques to bring down large prey, maximizing their food acquisition efficiency. These cooperative behaviors contributed to the success of these species in harsh Ice Age environments. Additionally, the Ice Age presented unique ecological opportunities for certain animal species. The extensive ice coverage created expansive grasslands and tundra habitats, providing open spaces and abundant vegetation for grazers. Large herbivorous species like the woolly mammoth, giant ground sloth, and musk oxen thrived in these environments, utilizing their specialized adaptations to efficiently extract nutrients from the available plant material. The availability of such abundant herbivore populations also benefited carnivorous species. Apex predators such as the saber-toothed cat and the dire wolf took advantage of the large herbivores as a primary food source, contributing to their survival during the Ice Age. These carnivores evolved powerful jaws, sharp teeth, and robust bodies to take down and consume the massive herbivorous prey. Some animal species found refuge in specific geographic locations that offered relatively milder conditions during the Ice Age. For example, the southern regions of the continents, closer to the equator, experienced less severe glaciation. As a result, certain animal species, such as the American mastodon and giant armadillos, were able to persist in these regions where more favorable habitats and resources were available. The adaptations and survival strategies displayed by animal species during the Ice Age have left lasting impacts on their descendants and modern ecosystems. Many species that survived this challenging period have continued to evolve and thrive in different environments, adapting to changing conditions over time. The biological characteristics and adaptations developed by Ice Age survivors have contributed to the biodiversity and ecological dynamics we observe today. Understanding the biological characteristics of animal species that survived the Ice Age is essential for gaining insights into the evolutionary processes and ecological interactions that have shaped life on Earth. It provides valuable information for studying species resilience, adaptations to extreme environments, and the mechanisms underlying their survival. Furthermore, this knowledge can inform conservation efforts, especially for species facing environmental challenges in the present day, allowing us to learn from the past and develop strategies to protect and preserve biodiversity in the face of ongoing environmental changes. Moreover, the biological characteristics of animal species that survived the Ice Age also highlight the importance of genetic diversity and evolutionary processes. The ability of certain species to adapt and endure in such extreme conditions can be attributed to genetic variations within their populations. Genetic diversity provides the raw material for natural selection to act upon, allowing for the emergence of advantageous traits that enhance survival and reproductive success. The Ice Age created selective pressures that favored certain genetic variations and adaptations. Individuals with traits such as thicker fur, larger body size, or efficient heat retention mechanisms were more likely to survive and pass on their genes to future generations. Over time, these beneficial traits became more prevalent in the population, contributing to the species' ability to thrive in cold environments. Additionally, the process of genetic drift, which refers to the random changes in gene frequencies over generations, played a role in shaping the genetic makeup of Ice Age survivors.